Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be pruning this field maple back a bit because it's going to be crackers. It's a long way on than the rest of the field maples, probably because it's been in the shade. So I'll be taking up the branches where they're coming out in twos and the bits off the trunk. The new stuff we can just pull off and clean up. I've got two branches coming out of one spot, so I'll be taking them off because I only want one branch. So what we'll do is we'll just give it a quick haircut so we can get some more light into the branches further back to develop. As you can see, the tree's got a nice root base on it, a nice flare on the big chunky roots, some natural shari. Had inverse taper in here, so I had a big carve. That's just when I first got the tree I done that, so it doesn't look the best like. I've got the first branch on the left on this side, but I also left one grow on this side because there's nothing from there up to there, so I'm just going to let that extend and thicken up. So I'm going to be taking that one off. I'm going to take that off there and let that grow out. Got a dead stump at the back here, so I'll clean that up. All I'm doing is thinning them out a bit just to get some more light in. I might add a little bit wire on there just to help it, but feels a bit soft, so I might just leave that for now. So that's pretty much it from this first branch. So what I'll do is I'll just continue working up the tree, and if there's anything to come into to have a look at, I'll come back to the video instead of speeding it up. There's one growing straight up, so we'll take him off. I'm going to add a little bit of wire onto these new bits, just so I can put them roughly into shape so I can get them to grow. Hey, here we go. So I've took off what I want off the tree. I really don't want to take too much off. I haven't wired all the thin new growth because it will just split when I try and wire it. This is the apex. I need to wire them down to start creating the dome in the top. That's just a pruning video. What I'll do is I'll bring the camera and give you a look at it. Took a good chunk off it and it's still got a load on, but we can get the light in there and start getting the back branches thicker. I'll bring you and give you a look. There's the root system on it, right in the barry. So that's it for this video. Like I say, it's just a little short pruning video. About 4 bits of wire. I'm just going to put it back on the bench now, let it grow and keep pruning it back. But we'll have to take that off to get the light in here, so we can get the back button working a bit better, or it would have just died off. I could take some more off these, but I'll wait till they thicken up. Then I can add some wire on and see which ones I want. I've just left that big leaf on there because I don't want it back there. So if you like the video, I really appreciate it if you smash the like button, and if you haven't, please subscribe. And thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!